Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can share AI with your friends or on the WhatsApp or Facebook, Instagram. You can simply do by the same steps I am showing you. Open up your Messenger app and logged into your account and go to AI, and you will see this page. When you comes in AI chat box here, you will see on the top right corner three dots. Click on that, and then you will see on the top share AI. Click on that, and then you will see over here a link. You can simply copy this link or share link, or I want to share it click on I want to copy the link of this AI and simply send it on my friends, and that's it. That's how you can share it with your friends. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.